without asking a simple question of the data, you can't have any confidence in the results or even the issues you might uncover. There's no guiding principle to allow you to wade through a complex changing scenario. And I think that's particularly salient when we talk to data science, where we could be so creative and so clever with the question we ask. Imagine how many parameters I could throw. Imagine how complex regression I could do on this day. Oh, wonderful. And you get an answer. And is it right? I don't know. But there, look at all these parameters I've introduced. And you think, well, how, based on what? Like, what is when you have all the data in the world, and we quite literally almost now do to that degree, especially with the Internet of Things revolution, without asking a simple question of it, how can you have any confidence in the answer you get back? And worse yet, how can you possibly gain a deeper insight into the processes that lie beneath that data, the model, the underlying nature of the thing you are asking?
It's actually quite difficult to get people to ask those powerful questions. So what we did very early on was just to be annoying. And so we would get the problem owners into a room and we would ask them that question: what's the most powerful question you could ask if you had access to any data set you could possibly imagine? Put all inhibitions aside, any data set you could possibly imagine. What's the most powerful question you could ask that would help you understand the problem, understand how your service is impacting that problem statement, or think about the problem differently? And very, very often we would sit in the room and we do the post-it notes, we do all the things that say innovation. But ultimately, there's one magic moment where we would just push people and push people and push people, and someone would say, you know what, damn it, if only I could do this. And you say, great. Now, can you reframe that as a question? And they'd have a go. And then there would be this moment of enlightenment. And then we'd say, all right, let's see if we can push this a little bit more. Now, we had great support from the minister. Everyone knew Cabinet was watching what we were doing, so everybody had to play along with us. But eventually, which is why people allowed us to be that annoying little burr or that little grain of sand, but eventually most of the people we dealt with really came to enjoy this process. And so they would start asking more and more ambitious questions.